Kalahari Desert, a land of sand and dust where the horizon seems endless, where man becomes a mere traveler in this vastness, a guest on a land that doesn't belong to him. These scorching, expansive stretches where every step is a confrontation with the unknown. A place where the roles are reversed and we become prey among others. In the presence of majestic lions, untamed elephants, and raw, wild nature, we feel small, vulnerable. Here, nature reigns as the absolute master. We rediscover what it truly means to live, not as conquerors, but by harmonizing our heartbeat with that of the desert. With Nomadic Road, the Kalahari isn't just a discovery of untamed wilderness. It's a rediscovery of oneself, a return to our roots. Join us and let the Kalahari teach you the true meaning of humility. For here, in the vastness of the desert, we do not conquer. We surrender.